Hello everybody. So today I'm having just a bacon and egg panini. Um, so I've got some cheese, got some bacon, a couple of eggs, got some jalapenos, panini there, got a bit of Kerrygold in there, and yeah. So I'll probably just do the eggs in the air fryer with the jalapenos and the bacon in a frying pan. So I'm going to put that in the air fryer. 11 minutes at 200. It'll probably take like 10 minutes. I'll just check it along the way. Hopefully. 1, 2. I'll leave a little 3. What I'll probably do is I'll just cut the panini, chuck some Kerrygold on it. I'll probably fry it in that pan actually. Bit of flavour to it. Yeah. So hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. Enjoying the sunshine. Although it's not really been sunny. It was breaking the clouds earlier. But yeah. The rain. I walked the garden yesterday. More rain today. Thank you to everyone who's watched the videos, liked the videos, commented on the videos. Just taking the time to have a look. Hopefully you can use some of these ideas in your own cooking daily. 7 minutes on that. Eggs in the air fryer are definitely the one. Makes them nice and light and fluffy. With the jalapenos as well. It's obviously all those smells go straight out the back of it, out the window, which is great. Seven minutes left on the eggs. They're doing alright. Smells good. Oh yeah. 5 minutes left on the eggs. The jalapenos. Sizzle. Got another bit of sizzle. Right. I need a bit of cheese in there. If I can eat. I'll say see you later then. Right. A bit of cheese in there. I can get it out of the bag. Cheese. One of them. One of them down the bottom. Cheese melted on top. Well, look at that. Oh. Yep. That's slightly hot, that is. Use our mop up some juices. See what it's looking like. Oh yeah. Three minutes left on the eggs. Right. Let's get this out of here. Oh look, just on the edge of crispiness. There's that. There's a melted cheese. Let's find out, eh? Right, done a bad. On top. It's a little bit gooey. Cheese is melted, as always, and go. Cheese is melted in there. Enjoy your day, people. I'll catch you tomorrow. Lovely. Bye bye.